I'll show you how to turn off auto update in CapCut PC 2025. So let's go. I'll go to CapCut PC apps, double click this here. Function will be working. Open, I agree, check mark, install now, click here. Working this CapCut PC, just wait sometimes. Don't click start now button, close this function. So click close button. Now I'll go to C drive and I'll go to users, click this users and user, click here, and I'll go to app data and I'll go to local, then I'll go to CapCut, click CapCut, and I'll go to user data, then I'll go to download. Now I'll create a file here, test document, click this, and here I will write rename this file, rename update dot exe and click yes. Then I'll go to property and check mark activate read only and OK. Copy this file, back, and I'll go to apps, paste this file here. This is already okay. Now I'll go to CapCut apps, click double click here and confirm. Okay, this CapCut PC. Now start creating, click this start creating, working this CapCut PC. Interface is being loaded, wait a minute. Just wait sometimes, then I will show main interface. Open this main interface. Thank you very much.